Hello everyone. Here's a quick demo of our customer support AI agent, which will automate L1 support tasks. So in this scenario, I've got a customer support portal and the internet status of the ISP on the right. So let's look at a scenario where we've got the customer information and then the customer has some problem with their internet connection. So they're raising a complaint saying my internet connection is not working, tried on my laptop and my phone also, and the internet status is also down at the moment. So now they are raising this complaint. Immediately when the complaint is raised, in the background, our AI agent has a complete orchestration workflow. So right from understanding the user's complaint to querying the database or the APIs to understand the current internet status, the whole workflow is configured here using Langflow, which is again open source, and corresponding emails are sent to the customer as well as the support agents. So in this example, if I go and refresh the customer account, the customer has received an email from the agent. So now the customer complaint has been logged and it has created a ticket, and it has also said no that the team is investigating, the backend team is investigating. Now let's look at a customer L2 customer support agent here. So here I have the agent. The agent is, the L2 support agent, and they've also received a ticket with the same ticket ID stating the problem of the customer and asking them to investigate the issue at the earliest. So this is one scenario. If you look at another scenario, for example, the internet is working, it is active, but there's some issue on the customer's end, but still they are raising a complaint. So this is the customer's mail ID and they're still raising the same complaint, but now the internet status is active. So they raise this complaint, and once the complaint is raised, again the whole orchestration happens, but there are logics and no if else conditions programmed within the agent, so that the agent takes calls saying certain things must be forwarded to L2 support, certain things the agent itself will reply back to the customer. So in this scenario, what happens is the agent will write back to the customer. So right now it writes back to the customer. Now it has not created a ticket. It's given them a set of instructions to troubleshoot it themselves. And if they are still having any issue, the AI agent asks them to reach out to for further assistance. So if you look at the system here, right now it did not email the L2 support agent. So this has been directly dealt by the agent in the first level itself. So now let's look at another scenario. Let's say the internet connection is slow. So when the internet connection is slow, maybe the user types saying my internet is slow, not able to browse YouTube, maybe YouTube. Now they are raising this complaint. The internet connection is slow at the moment, so the complaint is raised. Again, the end-to-end orchestration happens. The system or the AI agent is programmed to handle all three scenarios. So again, if you go back to the customer portal, the customer would have received a new email. So there's a speed issue. Again, it has given them a set of instructions to troubleshoot. It's asked them to first troubleshoot and then get back to them, so that the AI agent, the problem is not escalated to L2 support. So first it asks them to troubleshoot themselves, and if they're still having any issues, then it will escalate the issue to L2 support. So this is how we've built a demo of an L1 support AI agent, which understands logics and protocols that you have within your organization, and can take decisions and even send out emails, and it can do various stuff. If this is something you're interested in, do reach out to us and we can give you a demo and build end-to-end solutions on the open source stack within your own environment.